Okay, welcome to the Fox's Den. This is the kitchen segment, and today we're going to make an edible Play-Doh. It has 2 ingredients, easy ingredients. I'm going to talk a little bit, then I'm going to let my 2 little helpers in here. This is Lexi, our little lady Lexi, which you know, and this is our friend Gammy. Gammy has his own channel, and we will put down in the description below a link to his channel. Tell them about your channel, Gammy.
My channel is called Gammy Galaxy. Go type it into YouTube and hit that subscribe button and leave a like down below. And I'm gonna say my intro now. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video.
Okay, very nice. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it, and then I'll set them free, as I say in my classroom. All right, 1, it's powdered sugar or 10x sugar, depending upon where it is you live in the world. And then we have prepared icing. We have a blue, and we have a white. Now, if you use the white, then there is a 3rd ingredient, which would be a little bit of coloring, food coloring, if that's what you wanted to do. We're going to make white, and we're going to make blue, okay? And these are the measurements. Very easy. It is for every 1 cup of icing or frosting, whatever it is you want to call it, to an almost, I'd say about 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, and maybe even a little bit more. Okay, you 2, you're ready to go.
Okay, so guys, remember, always wash your hands before doing stuff, because if you touch something, then it might get all the germs.
Very good.
So you have to wash your hands before. And yesterday was rainy, like 5 days in a row it was rainy, but today's like so sunny and it's like so hot.
Yeah. That's 1 cup. Tell them that.
This is 1 cup.
Put it closer to you. Yeah.
Fill it up.
Fill it up. Fill it up.
Okay, wait, give us a second.
Teamwork.
Put it up.
2 cups.
This is 1/4, and you're gonna do 1/4 cup. I guess I'm gonna call it a cup. 1/4 cup, and then you're gonna scoop this up all the way to the top 3 times. So basically, is 3/4. So 1.
It's getting a little messy.
2.
And then 3. Yep, it's getting a lot messy, guys.
3. Okay, so that was 3. Yeah, you just grab that, scoop this in there.
Tell
All the
them.
way to the top.
So you're gonna grab a spoon or something like that.
You're gonna grab the 1 cup and you're gonna fill it all the way up to the top. The same thing that we did with that.
Okay,
So good.
So good, I wanted to eat.
I'll hold it and then just put it in.
Okay.
There we go.
I'm trying to get some meat.
You said.
Here you go. We added it in.
So you
So we add 2 cups of this.
No, 1 cup of icing.
I mean, we need 1 cup of icing. 1 big cup.
And that's it.
Do you need help doing that? You do?
Yes. No, scrape it off. Scrape it off. Scrape it off. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm butting in. So they really have to mix it well. Now, here's the thing about this. This is where, I'm going to scoot you over just a little bit, Lou. This is where there's no exact recipe. You kind of have to feel it out. And you have to mix this in really well. And then it gets like a doughy consistency. And as we go along, we will show you. But something I wanted to explain to you also is that this is edible, meaning you can eat it. There's nothing in here that would hurt you. However, I never suggest ever that you eat something that you play with, because your hands are extremely germy. So if we're after we're done, it's almost like a fondant. Mixing it, we'll put a little aside to eat because they're over here smelling it and they want to eat it. But if you're playing with it, do not eat it. It's too germy, even if you wash your hands. And I do something with my students when I used to teach science, and we put glitter on our hands. I'd be the first person, and I'd shake one person's hand, and they'd turn around and shake the next and the next. And there were 24 kids in my class plus me. When we were done, we would wash our hands thoroughly. And as the days would go on, we'd take a chart and mark this down. That glitter was still showing up everywhere. Even though we washed our hands, we bathed and washed our hands again, it still would show up. That's how germs are. So it's not good to play with it. Our hands are very germy.
Oh, we don't get to play with it?
You're going to play with it and eat it. I'm saying it's not good to play and eat. So they're going to mix and mix. And if it doesn't come up to the consistency that we want, we will add a little bit more of the icing or frosting. Okay, go.
If it doesn't turn out that good.
It's getting tougher and tougher to mix. What? You always have to scrape
Okay,
the
this will
sides.
be a while.
You always have to scrape the sides.
She's right. You're right.
You know, this is giving me the idea. So on this knee, I'll make it like snow. Would you like if this whole place was filled with this, whatever what that is?
Oh,
That
yeah.
would be nice.
That would be so cool.
And it's
Really good.
Oh, and if you like Play-Doh.
OMG.
You talk just like a gal.
It's really good.
Don't say it, Rara. We want to be surprised.
Of course it's gonna be. I hope it's good.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Well, then why did you...
Wait, let me do it. Okay, good. Have Play-Doh?
Yes. Hey guys, I'm gonna play with some of this Play-Doh.
Why I mix it? Maybe I can make it into a ball. Look, ready? Darn it, that didn't work out. We need to keep touching it and then. Oh, what happened?
Oh,
You did it!
it's a ball, guys.
Okay, yeah, you can eat it. I'll let you eat it. Yeah. Go eat it. Eat that little ball. Wonder if we make this into a ball, like, and then.
We'll play with it.
Rara, I made it into a ball and then I ate it.
Not when you play with it. I told you this.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, listen
forgot.
to me.
You forgot, you said.
Let me sneak back in. So, as you can see, they made it and they're playing with it. And if it gets dry or starts to get crumbly, you can add a little bit of oil, like cooking oil,
Do it on mine.
to it and massage it in. You can also do that when you go to store it.
Yes, I can.
All right, make it into some stuff.
Oh, tomorrow I wish you had a cookie cutter because then you could like move it through and it could make it into a shape.
We do.
I'm gonna.
Ready? Let me time you.
Go.
What? I got this.
That's not good. Don't tell me.
I'm back. I'm interrupting the fun. Now, this is what we had on reserve. We saved a piece for each of them to eat. It has like a marshmallow texture.
It is good.
Oh, look at that snowman. Oh, you're making a happy face?
Oh yeah.
We'll have to zero in on your happy face.
I'm not making a happy face.
Oh, what are you making? Okay, we're going to store these in plastic containers. We're going to dab them again with a little bit of olive oil. And want to look up and say thank you and goodbye and whatever else.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.
Subscribe to Gammy Galaxy.
And also to Gammy's Galaxy. We're going to upload this on my channel and on his. What do you think? How'd it taste?
This is good.
Was it good? It does taste pretty good.
This is a fox.
Oh.
Oh, I get
A fox for the foxes.
It's a fox for the foxes, Jen.
And it's a snowman
Look who made it, yo.
And it's a snowman.
for the snowman winter.
Oh, we need to put the white and make it on his eyes.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
This edible Play-Doh was yummy and actually fun to play with. Try it.
Thank you, Jackson, and his mommy and Hunter for watching our videos.